if Flash Extractor has the layout structure for a controller, you can import it into VNR to save some time. First, find the matching layout in Flash Extractor. The first value is the controller. The second value is the sector geometry size. And in this example here, the first sector is 1,138 bytes, and the second remaining sectors are 1,134 bytes long. With Bison controllers, the geometry layout order is data spare area ECC. The data parameter size is 1,024 bytes. The spare area and ECC parameters fit in the remaining 114 bytes, and we can do that by showing you this here. So 1138 minus 1024 gives us 114. All right, so the next step, so we go into dump viewer, click on structure view, sync position, and then hex view. Next, we drill down to page view, and we find some user data. User data can be identified by random static entropy like this. First, we need to set the data area record size, which is 2 sectors, which would be 1024, and add the record to the page element. By default, if you add a record to VNR, it will assume that the record encapsulates the full space. We want the record to occupy the defined length, so we choose L, so data area L. Next, we see the spare area, which is identifiable by 8 bytes. If we go back into Flash Extractor, we'll see that the spare area is 8 bytes long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which corresponds to the 8 bytes over here. So we set the spare area to 8 bytes. Add the record. And then the remaining bytes belong to the error correcting code. So if we subtract 8 from 114, the error correcting code is 106 bytes. Next, we need to populate the remainder of the page element. The element records are the same with the exception of the second spare area, which is 4 bytes, which is why the remaining sectors in Flash Extractor are 1,134 bytes. So add this, and we'll see that the spare area over here is just 4 bytes. So we create a second spare area element that is 4 bytes long. Added here, spare area 2. And we add a record for the error correction code. And to save time, we can just copy and paste the records and paste it till the end. And if we did everything right, it should line up with the end of the dump. So we're good.